Welcome in travel itinerary information description. Introduction of the place. Barichara is a city in northern Colombia, known for its cobblestone street and colonial architecture. In the center is the Cathedral of the Immaculada Conception, made of sandstone and with ungold altar or important churches include the Windwage Capilla de San Antonio with the 19th century and the Capilla de Santa Bárbara on high on the western outskirts of the city, there is Barichara Cemetery, which has earned tombs. Uh, Duration of the trip. The driving distance between Bucaramanga to Barichara is 1 to 1 kilometers. Each take approximately 1 hour 48 minutes to drive Bucaramanga Barichara. Means of transportation. The means of transportation to be used car, motorcycle or travel buses. Mm, Activities to do eco war private in Barichara, the waterfall of Juan Curí, climbs the mountains Salto del Mico, sal in the open air visit museo. Place to stay. In Barichara, you can stay in hostel, hotel, cabins, and country house. Typical foods. Barichara is camuro sanson, goat meat, roasted and fried and accompanied with yuca and arepa. Cortados de leche, is with goat meal, lemon juice and piloncillo. Chicharrines, main from fermented. Core, hormiga culona, and toasted and served with a touch of salt. Um, Cost. Cost of this tribe must be divided into transportation in cost is 80,000 pesos is $20. The accommodation per night is around 50,000 pesos. The 10 on $25 and the four and the tour well giving is around 35,000 pesos, 85 dollars apart from food. All this. This is imagine is for project Barichara, 5 essential places, museums, caminat air, the shores, recommendation, um, extra data is ubication, the city, the distance. Thank you.